In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Clockify so you can track time seamlessly across your tasks and projects. If you're managing work in ClickUp and tracking time separately in Clockify, integrating the two can save you a lot of manual effort and give you much clearer insights into productivity and billable hours. This setup is perfect for teams, freelancers, and project managers who want everything synced in one workflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software integrations and productivity tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're using the workspace where you want Clockify to be connected, especially if you manage multiple teams or organizations. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar inside ClickUp. Scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools available in your workspace. From the expanded menu, find and click on Apps. This section is where ClickUp allows you to connect third-party tools and integrations to enhance your workflow. After clicking Apps, you'll be taken to the ClickUp App Center. Here you can browse or search for different integrations. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Clockify. Once you see Clockify in the list of available apps, click on it to open the Integration Details page. On the Clockify integration page, you'll see information about what the app does and how it connects with ClickUp. To proceed, click on the Install button. ClickUp will now guide you through the installation process. At this stage, you may be asked to log into your Clockify account or authorize ClickUp to connect with Clockify. Carefully review the permissions being requested so you understand what data is being shared between the two platforms. Approve the connection to continue. Once the installation is complete, Clockify will be successfully connected to your ClickUp workspace. This means you can now track time directly from ClickUp tasks and have that time automatically recorded in Clockify. Depending on your setup, you may see a time tracking option appear inside tasks, allowing you to start and stop timers without switching apps. This integration helps reduce context switching and ensures your time data stays accurate and organized. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the connection by opening a task in ClickUp and starting a time entry to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Clockify and streamlined your time tracking process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.